The best part about the Expo is just walking in and you see the family engaged, so appreciative. We brought all the resources to them and the kids just light up. You see the kids with all the butterflies on their face, bouncing, playing. It really is just a one-stop shop for the kids to have a good time and the parents to get the support that they need.
Well, we're thrilled to be here today at the Expo. It's just such a terrific opportunity for some of our providers to show all of the students and families in the area the resources available to them and programs for next year.
Listen, I love entertainment, so I love the entertainment that's going on outside, the performance that are happening, but most of all, I just love the gathering and the fact that the kids and the parents can get the resources they need just before school. I think that's amazing.
My favorite part of the Children's Expo is learning about all the resources, specifically about the kids with autism and those who have disabilities. I would love to tell all the parents in the community all of these resources are amazing and can be available to anybody who just comes to the Children's Trust Expo.
Definitely, if you haven't experienced it, it's a great time to get out with the family and the kids, to expose them to different things, activities, and engage with other people. So it's a really good experience.
This is an amazing day. Not only families are getting resources for them and get ready to back to school, but there are also activities such as arts, craft. We have free meal tickets, free ices, free vaccines. It is an amazing event for the families. We're very excited to have everybody here today.
We have this partnership with Florida Memorial University, with Miami-Dade College, and with Miami-Dade County Public Schools. Without this partnership, we could not have brought this wonderful event for so many families to be here with us today, to access services, to have a day of fun. And I want to give a special shout out to Uber, who assisted so many families in coming here today. So thank you to everyone.
Give me one word to describe this place. Awesome, awesome. How about you?
It's amazing.
Amazing. You will be here again next year.
Yeah.
Same place, right?
Yes, same time, same place.
All right, give me 5. Yes.
Bye, Trust.